Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 update failed to download and install. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your 23H2 or 24H2 update failed to download and install, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the file explorer, open the C drive, scroll down. In this you will find Windows. Double click and open this Windows folder. Scroll down again. You need to find software distribution. You can see here software distribution folder. Double click and open. Here you will find whatever files and folders. You have to delete all that. I had already deleted, so it's not showing. You have to select all the files and delete. Then close this window. Then restart your PC. After restarting PC, click on the start menu again. Click on the settings. Then click on Windows Update. Then check for your pending update. Then click on Download and Install. After completion of this download, it will ask to restart. Then restart for your completion of this Windows installation. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 update failed to download and install. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.